a single stage paint job on our twin turbo Ram. To be a good paint job, we gotta strip this truck down, or what's left of this truck. So we're gonna remove the rear axle, which is Ford 9-inch, get the coilovers off, and get the control arms out of the way, and yank that baby straight out of there. Get our modified rack and pinion out of there, undo our control arms, and then we're gonna pull the whole front suspension out all as one piece. And we're start prepping this and getting it ready for our single stage paint job. Now it's that time to spray that 2K primer. Pour, 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 hardener, hardener, hardener. Let's fill up that little paint gun blaster 3000. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. You know, Mama always told me I could be a painter. But you know what Mama didn't tell me? How boring it is to do paint jobs. But all seriousness, we're spraying this 2K primer with an Amazon paint gun and a 1.8mm tip. Now, to wipe everything off and give that same treatment to these bedsides as the body with that thick 2K primer. And now the truck's gray, just like my hair. Got a haircut, but so in order to fill all these gaps and cracks, we have to lay some seam sealer on this guy. Now it's that time, the time that everyone enjoys. It's time to block sand this truck. So we're gonna block sand it with 400 grit sandpaper. And the thing I found out with painting auto bodies is just how tedious it is. So we're gonna go through and wipe every single bed panel off. We're gonna wipe the body off. We're gonna wipe the fenders off. And we're gonna wipe everything nice and clean. Then we're gonna go back and blow any dust that's left off. Now, no more gray. Time for that orange. Start with underneath and work our way up to the top. We're spraying this with a Harbor Freight paint gun and a 1.4mm tip. Whitey's not Whitey anymore. We're the Orangey 2.0, but we got our first coat on. It's looking good. It's looking orange. This is a Hugger orange, by the way. It's a Chevy color, sue me. But right now, I'm gonna do our second coat, and then we'll start painting all our bedsides, fenders, doors, everything else, just like a professional paint shop would. Give that same loving to our hanging body parts as we did to the body. I went with some new reproduction doors due to the originals being rusty, and I picked up some Facebook Marketplace doors that had a 1/2 inch of Bondo on them. So those went in the garbage, and new doors it was. And in total, we went through 3 gallons of paint, 3 different respirators, 2 gallons of primers, 12 to 13 C4 energy drinks, me looking like a Oompa Loompa after every time I painted and got orange paint all over me. But gosh darn, don't that paint look good. She laid down smooth as glass. It just looks so good. And I don't know, it just made my ADHD soul happy we painted all the nooks and corners orange. Like bam, orange. You trying to look under my truck? Bam, more orange. Again, I did all this with a Harbor Freight, like $25 paint gun. Also, never hang something you're gonna paint by one string. This thing just kept spinning like a man on 10 sodas deep. But we got her done. And when I said I got all the nooks and crannies, I mean I got all the nooks and crannies. And you guessed it, Naraha. See, 3 years of Spanish is really just taking off for me. That was orange in Spanish. At least I hope it was. Our Ford 9-inch got that paint from a can, treatment, but I felt so bad I shot it with some blue sparkles, because why not? The aftermath of painting. Holy crap, guys. Next time I do this, I think I'm gonna buy one of those portable blow-up painter things. But everything turned out really good. We got like no orange peel on anything. Looks super good. Take a walk back to our hanging arcade of stuff. Yeah, turned out pretty good. So this has been baking for the last 48 hours. And now it's time to clean up this mess. And then we're going to unwrap the beast and start reassembling it and see what it looks like all together. Just don't scratch it, just don't scratch it, just don't scratch it. What I was singing in my head the whole entire time I'm reassembling this truck. But it did go back together and it did get some scratches, but that's okay. She is a dirty little drag truck at the end of the day. And these doors, boy, let me tell you about these doors. They're door shaped, made from door things, and they went on just like a door. Boom, she's a truck again. We got the door on, we got the bed sets on, we got the bumper on, and she's looking great. But before we put the front end back on, we gotta put our twin turbo beast back in. 318 cubic inch. Stock bottom end. Twin turbo. Whitey.